Hello traders, how are you all keeping? Hope you're all well. Today is the 11th of December 2025. I'm back with EURGBP on the daily time frame. So I did a video last weekend regarding this breakout, right? I'll put the video on the description below. So we did say that this breakout and this inside bar um, is or was um, uh, an inducement, a fake breakout. So basically, this is my manipulation video 103. All right. So if you've not seen 101 and 102, please see them. This is manipulation video 103. So, so I mentioned that this breakout here, um, and this inside bar, these two yellow, these two red candles, are inducement for retail traders to come in to take a long trade. All right. So if you've taken this breakout here, your stops will be above this high here. And if you're waiting for confirmation of a break below this engulfing candle, you had that break below here on this day candle and you jumped in. All right. And if you're looking for more confirmation, you go down with this candle. Yeah. So there are so many traders short on EURGBP. Yeah, with the stops above this high. All right. So the actual video for the this is a live trader actually going up. All right. And I did mention that you only look out for longs, no shorts. All right. And your take profit will be above this high there. Yeah, because they'll come back to hunt the stops here. All right. So, but the actual manipulation that I want to show you, this one is still playing out. The actual one that I want to show you is on a lower time frame. So let's drop down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so get rid of that. Right, so actual manipulation is right here. Okay, so if you know about supply and demand levels, yeah, this is rally base, and then you have that big drop. Yeah, so this is a supply zone right there. Rally base drop supply zone on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so we dropped massively to the downside. Yeah, so the supply and demand says find a level that has a base. So you rally, you base, and then you dropped. Yeah, so this rally base drop is a supply zone. Yeah, so this is a supply area where they said that when a market comes back to this zone, you expect price to drop. Yeah, so so this is, I'll show you the manipulation right here. Yeah, I'll show you the manipulation. So if you are in tuned about this supply and demand processes, yeah, when the price came back, yeah, another thing that they said you should watch out is how the price returned to the level. So the price returned very, very well to the level. Yeah, so there were no basing, you know, it was just a straight candles into the level. Yeah, and this is where you would then initiate your sell. Yeah, so if you took sell there at the return of the level, your stops will be above the supply zone. Yeah. So we had a retracement to the level, and then we rejected with this engulfing candle. Yeah. So this would then get more sellers to come into the market. Yeah. If you are waiting for a close a break of the bearish candle, then you jumped in there. Yeah, your stops will be all above there. Okay, so we then retrace back to the level, and then more retracement traders came into the market. Yeah, more retracement traders come into the market after this again red engulfing candle. Okay, so can you see how they use the engulfing candles to deceive the to deceive us, the retail traders? Yeah, they use these engulfing candles. So once you've seen these engulfing candles, yeah, you would jump in. Your stop will be above the supply zone. Yeah, and then so you were coming down, you were excited, you know, your your account is adding, you're making money. If you've taken this short here, your target will be this low here. This will be your target. Yeah. So did you see how the manipulation occurred? Yeah. So they won't let you get to that low. Yeah. So then it will come back aggressively to liquidate you, to take you out. Yeah. So now you have been taken out. If you had gone short there or short there, bingo, this is it. You're out of the trade. All right. So yeah, so this is the manipulation here, the manipulation. All right. So this is manipulation 103. Supply zones. You would like I did a video, and I explained that if you're trading supply zones on its own, you will struggle to be profitable. Okay, I repeat again. If you trade supply and demand zones on their own, just supply and demand zones, then you will not be profitable. Okay, so this is a beautiful supply zone, but it doesn't work on their own. All right, so you got in there, you got in there, it didn't take you anywhere. All right, so yeah, so this is the video for the manipulation video 103. Any questions, please do drop me comments. And if you want me to look at any charts, you send them to me, and then I'll try and analyze the chart with you or for you. All right. Okay. Take care now. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye now.